So today we're going to be painting my girlfriend's rose gold Golf calipers rose gold. They were purple. As you can see, they're rose gold now. I'm filming this after, just to show you what they look like from a distance. The place that we have got them from is Economy Auto Paints 2. I'll put the link in the description. They have a TikTok as well, so go follow them on there. And today we're testing out their product, the rose gold paint. You can get this in a pot of paint or in an aerosol can. We got it in the aerosol can and it has turned out very well. This is a week later. Obviously they have got a bit of dirt on them now, but they have lasted, so I definitely recommend this. So go give them a follow, go test their product as well, see what you all think, and stay tuned for the rest of the video of how to apply this and make it work like this has on the Golf. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. We're going to be painting these rose gold. I've taken off the little rubber here and then I'm going to take the pads out because they're squeaking, so we're going to give them a clean and then get all this caliper cleaned and we can move on to getting it ready for paint. We can sand this down and get on with it. Take your dust caps off and put them to one side. And that is what will come out on the top and bottom. You want to use a T45, looks like that, and that is what will get this out. And that is the bottom one off. Now that they're both released, I need to get a screwdriver and push these pads back so I can loosen up the piston, so then this caliper can fall loose. So get your screwdriver in and push those pistons back, and it frees up that caliper. And then it falls out of place just like that. Then just take your pads out like that. And now they're out. So now you want to tape this up so it doesn't get any paint on, as this is your rubber. Same around here and around here as well, and on your brake line pipe and your nuts, and that should be about it. Then this can get ready for painting and we can go from there. And take the rubber pistons off the back of the calipers as well.
it takes its hold. The darkness creeps, the story unfolds. Lost in the maze of a twisted mind, haunted by shadows.